Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me. And now that you are joining me, and if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing by pressing that subscribe button below. And also remember to hit that notification bell. And also, you guys, if you like the content that I am bringing you, remember to give this video a like and a share. That's how YouTube knows that you are enjoying this content, and they will continue to spread it around. Thank you guys again for being here. And today, we are going to make two things. One of them is an Asian wing made with 3 ingredients, you guys. The sauce is 3 ingredients. It's some soy sauce, some brown sweetener, and along with some garlic powder. And it's brown sweetener versus sugar because, again, you guys, I am following a low-carb, keto-friendly diet, okay? That's one thing. And the second thing that I'm making is some tangy potato salad. Yes. But potatoes are replaced by cauliflower. So, you guys, if that sounds as good as I'm making it sound, then stay with me and I will show you how to put it together coming up next. All right, everyone. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to make this sauce that we are going to marinate these chicken wings in. So, very simple. As I mentioned earlier, 3 ingredients. So I've got a brown sweetener here. Some soy sauce, and some garlic powder. All right, mix these together until everything is well incorporated. And you guys, just as simple, we have our marinade for this chicken. Okay, place the wings into this marinade. And you guys, I forgot to mention, I have approximately just a little over 1 pound of wings. And this sauce that I'm making, okay, I'm leaving the ingredients on the screen for the 1 pound. If you have more chicken in that, then adjust your soy sauce accordingly. Okay, give this a mix. And then we're gonna cover this, you guys, and let this sit while we put together our tangy potato salad. Okay, everyone, now for my low-carb potato salad. Again, that is being made with this cauliflower. And by the way, you guys, I used the frozen, okay, for the sake of time. So I've already pre-cooked that. And to it, I am going to add some of these onions. And of course, this is what gives it its tang. It's going to be the onions. It's going to be some of these dill pickles, along with that spicy brown mustard. And some of these dill pickles. And the reason why I have so much of this is because, again, my husband does not follow a low-carb diet. So I'm using the same exact ingredients to make his potato salad, aside from the fact that he's going to be eating potatoes versus the cauliflower. Okay. And egg. Okay, mix this together. All right, guys, so now I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to finish putting together this sauce. Okay, you guys, so to this bowl, I have added the remainder of the egg yolks. Just going to smash them. All right, and to this, we are going to add our spicy brown mustard. our mayo. And then our chives. Some fresh ground pepper. And go ahead and give this a mix. And you guys, just that quick, this is our sauce. So I'm gonna add some of this. To my cauli. Give it a toss. And there we have it, you guys. Our tangy, keto-friendly potato salad. And the rest of that sauce is going to be used for my husband's potatoes. So now that this is ready, I'm going to check on that chicken to see if it is ready to go into the air fryer. All right, you guys, so these wings have soaked up the goodness of this marinade. So it is now time to bring them over to my cassoulet air fryer and fry them up. I'll see you there. All right, you guys, so my cassoulet air fryer has preheated, and I'm gonna place these wings in there. All right, and I am going to cook them halfway through, turn them over, and then I will cook them for the remaining time. All right, everyone, let's take a look at these. They've been in for 9 minutes now. Okay, those look amazing. Now, this is less time than the amount of time that they're supposed to stay in here, but you guys, I started to smell them, so pay attention to your food, because when you smell it, a lot of times it's giving you an indication of what's going on, and that's exactly what these did. So, oh my gosh, you guys, these are going to be so good. Okay, back in they go. All right, you guys, these are ready. Okay, now it's time to serve them, and we will give them a taste. All right, you guys, hot out of my cassoulet air fryer, I'm going to garnish these with some green onions. All right, you guys, and these are ready to taste. I've got my potato salad over here. Put that there. And I will see you at the dinner table. All right, you guys, time to eat. Doesn't this look amazing? I tell you, you know when something is good when you see it, and then you smell it, and you just can't wait until it's done so that you can dig in, which is exactly what we are getting ready to do. So I've got some of this tangy potato salad that is keto friendly because it's made with cauliflower, you guys. Oh, and then these wings. Lord, I thank you. Let's start with the potato salad. What cauliflower? Guys, I kid you not, this sauce is amazing. Oh my goodness. This is going to be my go-to recipe for the summer because this is incredible. Okay. I'm forgetting about chicken, it's so good. And now for this chicken that has been smothered in soy sauce and a brown sweetener. delicious, you guys. Wow. You guys, if I don't pay attention to the fact that I'm filming, you guys gonna be staring at me eat. So this is so amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to sign off. Before you guys go, please do give this recipe, this Asian inspired chicken wing recipe, along with this tangy potato salad. Give these recipes a try. And when you do, please leave your comments and let me know that you love them as well, because I am not kidding you guys. This stuff is phenomenal. And the beauty about it is, even though I am low carb, my husband is not. No worries, okay? He can eat exactly what I'm eating. The only difference in this recipe is that I use potatoes, okay, instead of cauliflower to make his potato salad. The sauce was exactly the same. So you guys, the amount of time that it took me to make my meal, 5 minutes more to make his, because again, I cooked potatoes for his, but everything else was exactly the same. But please do give this a try, give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please do share, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, you guys, if you've not yet done so, and make sure you hit that notification bell as well. You guys, it is a great day, and my day just got even better now that I can kick back and eat some of this delicious food. You continue to make it your own kind of special, just like I did. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, you guys. And I will see you real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Enjoy.